Just like we encourage you to never miss Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Scheiner. What we do is we ask our friend Bruce Scheiner questions largely submitted by you, questions about the law, get some answers. If you'd like to submit a question, I'll tell you how to go about that here in just a moment as well. But first, would you please help me welcome Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How are you doing this beautiful morning?
Terrific. I can't really complain about anything, especially the sunny skies.
Well, we always like sunny skies.
Yes, and we like any ray of positivity we can bring to this radio show. You always do just that. You've always got great answers for some complicated situations. Today seems like one of those to me. Are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, let's jump into the email and see what we got going on here. My brother was driving on Tamiami Trail when a semi-truck with the name of a major retailer on it swerved into him, causing his car to flip over and crash into the guardrail. The trucker was ticketed for reckless driving. Unfortunately, it turns out the driver of the truck is underinsured. My brother was in intensive care and was scheduled to have multiple surgeries affecting him for the rest of his life. My sister-in-law contacted the major retailer. They claim that they leased the truck. However, the driver was an independent contractor, so they are not liable. We have insurance, but not nearly enough to cover the medical bills, not to mention the therapy and medical assistance he will need for years to come. Can you ask the lawyer what we can do? There are so many intricacies in this tale we've woven so far, Bruce. Can you help kind of untangle it?
I sure can. It's really a lot more simple than it appears.
Oh, good.
So, do we have a truck that causes an accident resulting in serious bodily injury?
Mm-hmm.
The truck was rented by a major retailer.
Mm-hmm.
So when you rent or lease a truck, you're in the same position as the owner. The owner of a motor vehicle is liable for the damages caused by the driver.
Okay.
Under the principle that we've talked about in the past called dangerous instrumentality.
That's right.
A motor vehicle is a dangerous instrumentality. So by it being a dangerous instrumentality, the owner is responsible for any negligent acts that a permissive user does.
And that would include an independent contractor, as this driver supposedly was?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So this poor person that was severely injured will be able to make a recovery for all their damages, including their medical bills in the past, medical bills in the future, pain and suffering in the past, pain and suffering in the future.
Good.
Inconvenience and other intangible damages.
And isn't it just always like these bigger corporations, and I don't know which one it is, it doesn't really matter, but first instinct is to deny the claim.
Right. They always do that.
Okay. It's why you got to get a professional on your side, and you do it quickly. You don't sit and wait to see what happens. Get a hold of somebody today.
I agree, Todd. It's very important.
Okay.
Whenever you're involved in a serious injury, to contact an experienced personal injury lawyer.
All right, Bruce. I'm so glad you made sense out of this, because we were so confused. And this is why we always come to you on Wednesdays for Ask the Lawyer. We appreciate your feedback once again.
Well, I appreciate your interesting questions.
Okay, we'll do it again next Wednesday. How does that sound?
That sounds great. Thanks so much, Todd.
You take care and have a good week, good weekend.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. I feel so much better for this poor guy now that we've heard what Bruce had to say. If you've got a question that you'd like to ask, you can submit that through our website. Simply go there and type Bruce into the keyword search box. But if you've been injured, in this situation, please reach out directly to the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner at 941-743-7777. 941-743-7777. Tell them that Todd sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.